Hello everyone. Today I am going to start 7th lesson, that is adverb and kind of adverb. So let's start the topic. So students, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, she swims quickly. Okay, here quickly is an adverb and it's modify the verb swims. Okay, now come to the next example. She is an extremely quick swimmer. So extremely is a adverb and it's modify the adjective quick. Okay. Now come to the kinds of adverbs. So here first kind is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tell us the manner or way in which something happens. They answer the question how. For example, he speaks slowly. How does he speak? He speaks slowly. So here slowly is a adverb of manner. So now come to the second kind of adverb, that is adverb of place. Adverb of place tell us the place where something happens. They answer the question where. For example, please sit here. So where should I sit? Please sit here. Okay, so here is the adverb of place. Now come to the third kind, that is adverb of time. Adverb of time tell us something about the time that something happens. They can answer the question when. Okay, for example, he came yesterday. When did he come? When did he come? He came yesterday. Okay, so yesterday shows the adverbs of time. So students, now come to the fourth kind, that is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tell us the degree or to what extent an action is done. They answer the question how much or what degree. For example, Renu is very beautiful. Okay, how beautiful is Renu? Renu is very beautiful. So here very shows the adverb of degree. Now come to the fifth kind, that is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency shows how often an action takes place. For example, I have already told you twice. Okay, so here twice shows the frequency. So students, now come to the sixth kind, that is interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverbs are used at the beginning of a sentence to ask question. For example, where can we meet? Second example, why are you sad? Okay, so here where and why is a interrogative adverb. Now come to the seventh kind of adverb, that is adverb of reason. Adverb of reason answer the question why. Some commonly used adverb of reason are therefore, hence, thus, consequently, because, as, since, etc. So here therefore, hence, thus, consequently, because, as, since, these all are the adverb of reason. Okay, we use in adverb of reason. For example, I am a vegetarian, therefore I do not cook meat. Okay, so here therefore is a adverb of reason. Now come to the second example. We are getting very late, hence we need to rush up. So here hence is a adverb of reason. So students, with this we come to the end of adverb lesson and I hope you all have understood it. Thank you.